Now that you've connected your camera with your app, we're ready to install. Just a couple reminders about the accessories included in your box. Make sure to put those set screws in the camera. Keep an Allen key with you to tighten down the angle of the solar panel after the install. And don't forget to put the weatherproof inserts back in. Use the included install screws to mount the base of your camera to your desired location. Make sure to install your camera in a location that receives direct sunlight for a couple hours a day. You can rotate your solar panel and then lock it in place with the included Allen key. Thank you for choosing Anywhere Cam. If you have any other questions or concerns, we encourage you to visit our website, anywhere.cam. We have lots of tutorial videos, instructional material, frequently asked questions, and other ways to contact our support team so we can get your camera working anywhere.